Joe with Steel Blade Woodworks, and today we're going to bring you along on the assembly of the A5S made by JG Maker 3D printer. It'll print PLA, ABS, and if I'm not mistaken, a few other ones. Size of filament 1.75, layer thickness 0.05 to 0.03 millimeter, and the bed size is going to be 305 by 305 by 320. As you can see here, I'm pointing at one. I've already assembled this one, and we're going to do the second one that I purchased. I am affiliated with JG Maker, and there's going to be links down in the description below. I'm going to start doing a little bit of production 3D printing, so I figured this was a perfect opportunity to purchase this 3D printer with the promotion that was on hand. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox and get the printer out. This printer is really easy to assemble. You have two pieces, which is basically your carriage, your upper arm that carries your gantry, and then the base. And it 8 bolts, and it's together. Plug in a few items and done. Fairly simple, easy installation, and then after the fact we'll run them and see what they do, how they print. But for today, we're just going to go ahead and unbox it, open it up, and get the printer put together. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get your parts out. This is a little guard that goes around here. You're going to need that. It's going to bring a USB cord. It's going to bring you a spare nozzle. Here the hardware that's needed. It brings a card that has your software and other files that are needed. Got a set of Allen wrench keys. You got a set of clips for the bed. Got your power cord, and that's about all you're going to need out of here. We'll set this aside. The bigger bolts with the washers are used to go underneath. On this arm, you'll see here in a minute, and then it takes. We have a spare one. It gives you a little bit of spare hardware. These are adjustment knobs, and one big bolt is going to be spare, and it takes 4 smaller screws here and here on the other side, and then it's going to take you 3 for the real carriage holder. ahead and pull this up. And there's some styrofoam or foam in the shipping part. Just be gentle pulling it out. And then this is just a plastic guard that goes in here. But that's the assembly portion. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and release your bed. You don't have to completely release it, but it's easier to get the tape off. Back here, when you reinsert this, make sure you get the cord out of the way so you don't hit the wire accidentally. Now is the perfect timing to go ahead and put this reel carriage on. Package of clips. The best part